I know this my video I'm about to drop now will shock and pain a lot of people. But you know what? Saint Joseph isn't way when I took do somebody get kingdom. Jeba go one yon neighbor say adoba. I no send anybody. No apologies. I want to drop this testimony here because now I've been wanted to drop this testimony na ministry, but crowd the too much. And name and Zion I didn't remember that I strive and I wanted. I even call because I said I don't want testimony. But crowd the too much. So let me use this my social media handle to drop this wonderful testimony. Testimony I goes like this because go and verify. Go and verify. This testimony goes like this. You know, I was once fighting Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Ike. It's what the Igbo karaka the Ebu amuma they confirm. It's I'm just like Saul. Message naked, but I can open turn to Paul the apostle. I know some people will not understand, some people will not believe, but I know send rain insult on me is none of my business. The most important thing is that God in heaven touched me. Again, this testimony. Last year, December, okay, yes, November ending, by the first week of December, and on open heaven. For those of you who follow Zion Prime Minister in open heaven, and on the open heaven one certain night, Evangelist Ebuka Obi that time when I be encounter. I hope encounter yes, Omaham often knows Omaram on that open heaven. He made mention of Chinedu, which is my name. There is a guy from Anambra State. His name is Chinedu. Okay, my celebration. Okay, wangore na December ending of December. Now get when he wangore. And I plan to go with my dad. I got Thanksgiving, which my dad I get a Thanksgiving on 31st December before Jabo Kabade. My dad got Thanksgiving. You know, it is with my mom and my parents. Obibi. So Opa from Chinedu born and get Thanksgiving and get me here. You know, I was wondering, say, well, maybe I am not the only one as a Chinedu. Nobody care about Chinedu Kim. But neither that an open heaven. Or back was sinner. No, but I was saying, hang on, yeah. Now that guy was be very careful. Na January. Kare mwe na January. Kare when he back one family na January. Kare when he batabi to lay na January. You know? The thing be them say, well, I took that prophecy as they have just it's not me. After all, not me only me the answer Chinedu. It's not about more. Well, banket. Well, I aga. The reason why I've been looking for that open heaven from because now I did not take it for anything. I didn't download it. Had even I know that this thing will happen, I would have downloaded that testimony. Be happy. I just more check for the testimony. Sorry, the not testimony, the prophecy. I mean to say. I na gagido orute na January onye bana rumbe ga na on Christmas. I abatara on Christmas na 25 December. Mbozo na dey free. But before that 25 December, I don't know 23 but Sunday. Oh, I don't know 23 or 24 Sunday, but I could vividly remember that 23 either 23 or 24 but Sunday because all the December 25 died on a Monday. So I went to church service on that Sunday. Because that night, yes, all 24. That night, Yabo crossover, Yabo 25 night now, you know. Emmanuel can on a church. Only when they check that testimony because only put testimony to be in here. Time Merube, yes, crowd too much. And also, I check testimony crowd even I mention call to testimony that people will not give testimony again. Let me call this thing short because actually can cool it was webido. This the prophecies webido. I don't know che Evangelist Ebuka Obi bomb Mbokoto na altar. I don't know whether camera recorded it, but on my camera recorded it, they will see me. I bought Seraphic oil. I know many people would say after all no manager Sydney, after all cooking oil. I don't know, whatever you believe, stay on that. It will work for you. Whether Mepe, the same Mepe, the anointing oil, Mepe, whether his own. Buy him name my own anointing oil instead of my car here. Let me know where I will see it. Oh, this Seraphic oil. Council Tara. But I'm still using it. Emmanuel Owetenke buy him my old. Bia, with a microphone. Yes, a web microphone. No, we are going same. That's now with attack. One night she may travel and say yes. I said I'm with the careful. Now when I attack, then when he rude, then when he backward, move the very careful. That people are not happy with me. But now today, I cancel every evil plan of the enemy. Mwa broku Obi on 25th in Bayuzo. Ne queen address mna afa. Obere mo yende ku just na call. Muna Jasmine so the moto with MC Cardinal and my boy Ikri. I had a train moto because he had Bible my moto juju. I move for travel now, but I put every 3:30 a.m. to 4. I'm on a convoy. And everybody shaka myself. Moba pothole. Tire and bend there. Shock was and bend there. Moto chema bui more and car one sign. I park a moto. Change the charge of Zochok or for Naba East. Everyone's now as if to say that one is not enough. Oweru on 9, a day I will never forget. Oru on 9th January. Mwega bauru ni hiala. Anam ni hiala. Munu nega the horrible MC Inside Life. Papa Ifanyi 411. Jeju bese. Boya na phone juesi ya. Ke ihe meru no okay sorry ni hiala. Ayango ni hiala. We opere, we kupere, we supere oru. I need roll no roll. I got the roll about 12 sorry about 2 o'clock, 2:30. Nakata people na bata na I have a big man and let me hear Bogaraya. I have Bogaraya. One die for everybody that go so one didn't wine than de Papa Muddy. Nokata, Henna no ta. Ekuperebe, Bob Ebe, Eben Naro MC Niala. I'm joking and I soon no more man say, hey, Mamma Bab Nagua. I hit the microphone naka where with the wisdom. All I know is that now all more chukusim may family. With wisdom, say my boy said because Jana Moto would one rap ego. Who then 1 hour pego, no yana babo, ya the bonya abo mama. Emanon Bumpus never and that you west a ham or any qua. Now I'm been to web, but let me just cut everything short. Nay go hack a name. Bob Hana Bachanarana. Ahona Mam Gigi, and pay fine. All right, I have a Yarocha. I was one MC, and I'm say because continue with this one, but we have a I am a joke. Nanda, Nabata. Marabata, where I say, Nanda, go more. I'm a guy, the idea, and I declare, and I hate Hanya Funde years back about one day, Bukemoto, one day, do okay. My brother, to cut everything short. Where microphone Njiaro Kuro Kunapuniro Dina Unye Karabata everywhere na Bagaragara. Where am I born in Ruegua? Once more, but I gotta say, see this microphone. I bet Hemi and go give DJ. Where microphone so better one aka or DJ Nyamuto Kumana Inside Life. Papa Fanya. Where the carry me hiala. But the web you also I check important diamond at Tota. Emananda so quiet na zo with GLK no number. Chukidanyo. Eba break and check important diamond. What one dap those were torn gba break ozugbo gharịkwa n'ike ozugbo wom wes ọkansi je ozi the guy insendịrị ebe a na-agọzi m na ndị abazi na-achọta ha ru 13 na-asị ka ede agaghị bụ jee pak eje pak ede mpe ife anyị ha bịa ebe a ka ebe ha nọ ọkwa ha emego joke ha bịa mere anyị joke nsị anyị emeziri ụmụ ọma joke hey. Well, to cut everything short, Mala Zuike, that was on 9th January. Okwaha Evangelist Ebuka Obi Sim, that prophecy. Now I didn't by now. I get to go breaking news that now one controversial MC, this and that, was kidnapped by a so person. But Ndi Igbo mamu. Overru on 10th, ne jorna kokwa side oboduku. Na adapụta na amichi gafeta amichi nakwa ụmụazị again ụmụọma hey ọ ya na-akpọ ha mburu moto ụzọ dị empty abụsiana gbakpọ m n'ihu ozugbo mburu aka wom n'ime ọhịa sụrụ ọhịa ozugbo sụkọrọ ọhịa n'ime ọhịa ozugbo sụrụ ọhịa sọpụta ozugbo nye moto ọkụ because ebu m V6 ha nwa bụ obere siana nchọka pọpachọ ha dị anya ha na-enwu red wee si Chineke ọkansi je. But to God be the glory. Ejitere m ọrụ ahụ n'obodo ukwu road n'aka ọkwa a jecha ọrụ ala akwa ọ na-eweta aka on 13 nye moto ọkụ na-arụ onwe m hey wee sị so ihe a bụ prophecy akpọrọ m afa m dị careful. I want to really thank God in heaven because you might not really believe this what I just said. You will say no arrange, say no corrugated lie or this and that. It's none of my business. As long as my heart is clean and my soul and body is pure, here I'm nothing but the truth. We're stitching again, go again, there mere ifa. Ekele, nejama, otito, derege, nebe kata sienu, naha Jesus Christ, bonye wine. Amen.